Ito, Carhartt to. Ang kumuha. Double ni oh. Bruce Lee. Meron tayong Harley XL. Ayan, XL. Tsaka itong Salem. $25. Ito, 70 raw. Ito, 150. Women's rights.
Ready, unstoppable dynasty, young over. I'm a hustler, baby.
National team, Japan. Soccer jersey. 2006. Sold siya for $55. So punta siya kay Diego. Sa San Diego rin, San Diego, California. Yun yung date niya. Ship natin siya today. Dito naman tayo sa Goodwill bin. Ngayon Thursday. Medyo kaunti yung tao. Wala na, lupat na siguro. Kuha na ako ng cart muna. Ang ganda. Ay naman. Oh. Pila na tayo rito. Ito may bagong rotation. Natitingnan nyo yung mga nakapila ngayon. Ngayon nakapila lahat sila. Kaya hindi mo pa pwedeng hawakan. Pag ano na. Pag okay na. O sinisipat-sipat na. Pag ano. Ito dito tayo malapit. Pero yun maganda kasi yun. Huwain ko ito. Ito ka. Ito tayo sa outerwear. Kapag sisipat-sipatin mo na dito mga pantalon. Kaya lang may mga nakapila na.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Yeah, my homie.
Nakabagong rotation ka. Tayo sa mga jacket.
What's up, man? How you doing?
Oh shit! Sophie, how long been here?
I've been here.
Anything
Opening.
Opening? Anything good?
This guy or what?
Yeah, just right now.
Yeah.
Where it goes, we got Walmart first and then might as well pass by here.
Yeah, there you go.
It's Sophie.
How you doing? You guys with the family or?
Adapt ni, no? Start natin.
Thanks for shopping at Goodwill.
Ngayon, customer natin yan, si bumibili sa akin yung dati. Ito, Carhartt to. Ang kumuha. Double ni oh. Ang kumuha na ito. Size 50. Kaya dito, 50. May bibili niyan. Ayan, Carhartt to. Double ni. Walang kumuha na ito mga to. Ito, Hermes oh. Bago si mama yan. Hermes. Hermes na ang tag niya siya, ano, Shein ba? Ito pang Indian na ano. Ayan. Wala nawakan mo. Meron tayo isang malaking Carhartt. Size 50. Yan natin kung mura lang. Kung under $5 yan, pwede yan. Pwede mo pang mabenta ng 15. Ito. Oh? Wala, no? Bigat to. Bigat yan, bigat. Bigat mabi. Green Bay, walang kumuha. Oh. Natin, man.
I'm gonna come back.
Hey, you want to do buyout?
I'm not doing buyouts right now.
Huh? No, you don't do buyout right now? You got some a lot of stuff to move?
I'm restructuring on what I sell.
Yeah.
And yeah, pretty much like
Oh,
my
okay.
inventory. Yeah, because right now the market's changed.
Market's changed, huh? Yeah, I know, man.
I don't do the markets like these other guys.
What?
You know, they do like all the pop-ups and shit.
Yeah.
Mine's all on eBay.
eBay.
So like I do like mostly modern.
Yeah, modern stuff. Like branded. Yeah.
It's too hard to do on eBay.
I know, man.
It's too hard, and everyone wants it for super cheap.
It's like when they plus the percentage too. You gonna go to the fleet later on?
No. I was gonna go there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
Why, you can go there or what?
Huh?
You gonna go there after?
No. I have my wife with me. This one stinks.
I'm about to leave and not come back.
All right. You live
Right
here?
down the street. Hella close.
Hella close, huh?
You here for a while or what?
I don't know. It depends, man. When she gets bored, then
I'll see you.
we'll just
How you
bounce,
doing,
man. All right, man. I'll see you.
I'll call you back right then.
Hey, you want hat pins, man? I'll hook you up. Hat pins.
Hat pins?
Yeah, I have a lot. I'll just give it to you if you want.
Oh, I don't do hat pins.
Oh, you don't do that?
He does hat pins, but I know nothing.
He
about
bought
hat
from me.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, he bought from me.
Yeah, I know nothing. But I have a bunch of hat pins.
Yeah,
And
hat
whenever
pins.
I buy some kind of hats and they just
Yeah.
come with it, I don't know what to do with them.
All right, man. Okay. Ha? Sabi ko nga, kung gusto niyang bumili sa atin, hindi na siya, sa atin, dahil kasi binili nun eh. Ito, luwag oh. Baka lang kumuha na ito. Ang luwag oh. Ayan, ito eh, natanggal yan. Tignan mo yung
Every
bitono.
purchase at Goodwill supports our career
Bumaba siya.
development program, offering paid training, one-on-one coaching, and a second chance for individuals
Kaya natin
facing
to.
employment barriers. You're helping people grow into
Buhat ang isang bagay oh.
Thank you.
Which is, ang ganda lang ng ano niya. Ng size. Straight leg na baggy. Pero wala siyang tatak. Ito yung nilabas kanina. Ang dami dito kanina mga tao. Kaya pag ano. Ito denim. Ganun talaga inaabangan nila yung bagong ano. Bagong labas. So like mga 45 minutes yata. Maglalabas na naman sila. Rotation tawag dan. Iba na talaga rin ng market. Yung mga iba hinahanap lang mga bangers. Ayun, bihira ka naman, mga 1 in a million ka lang naman makakita ng mga bangers dito. Hindi pag mga sellable.
Thanks for shopping.
Yung tina-target natin, di ba?
Your purchases
The next day.
Another trip, tingnan $100. Kalalabas lang natin. Papapasok pa lang tayo sa flea market. Yan yung fence. Yan yung parking, ha. Ang daming space. Which is kahit na Friday ngayon, na-expect ko maraming tao pag Friday. Pero ano, empty yung ano. Yung space. Entrance is, magkano entrance ngayon? 75 cents lang. 75 cents entrance. Garantisado. Ito yung hat nila Paolo. LA to Manila Bay. Garantisado. Ba't napunta rin sa flea market? Ito yung Blood in Blood Out. Astig yung movie na to, Blood in Blood. How much the hat? Oh, the t-shirt. 5. Meron tayong John Cena na hat, tsaka Blood in Blood Out. Never give up. Ito, okay na to, $5 sa John Cena.
Yeah.
It's printed, extra large. You can see me, 15-time champion. Natin magkano itong Blood in Blood Out 5. $5 John Cena.
Todo barato.
4?
Ha?
4?
Okay,
4. Tayo. $4. Kasi hindi naman bibigyan ng 3 yan eh. Dapat ano lang tayo sa tawad, swabe lang. Swabe lang. Natin, $4 daw si John Cena. Benta yung mga 5 pa. Ay, 10 printed na John Cena. Which is, siya na yung champion ngayon eh. Thank you. $4. How is the hoodie?
That one is gonna be $10.
$10. That's WESC, right? Is
Yes.
It? Yeah, I had one like that before.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah, I had one like that before.
I'll do 8 right now.
I'll go look around for
Yeah, of course.
$8. Thank you, man.
I like your shirt.
Thank you. Kasi na raw yung t-shirt ko eh. Bakit lang yung cart? Naka-Dragon Ball Z na tayo. Dragon Ball Z. Ayan, Dragon Ball Z. Ano tayo? Shadow na Niners. Laki yun. Alam, modern siya. Palmer. Kano kaya yung jersey? How much that? The jersey? $10. Okay. 10. Tayong kitain sa 10. Wala mga ano. Affliction. Parang mga affliction type. Ano niya mabibili yung polo. Yung t-shirt. T-shirt na ganda sana. Mostly mga dollar lang ngayon kasi walang tao. Itong bango na to. Ito. Ito mga okay daw mga to. Ito sa Salem na ano. Notre Dame. Salem tag. Notre Dame. Ito ito Jesus. Meron din siyang Raiders. Ombro. Ito parang off na Sharks jersey. Ito Bulls na extra large. Dahil sa mga bata. Ayan, Jordan. Faded nga lang. Faded. Natin presyo na itong mga bata nito. Hardcore. Minsan, bumili ka na lang sa mga reseller eh. Alam mo yun. Tapos mag-bundle ka na lang. Kaya sa mag-ikot-ikot ka. Ito Bruce Lee oh. Street Steel. Ay, God. Sama. Redman, sino to? Kappa. Natin ang presyo na ito. Dallas. Dada. Y2K Dada. Levi. Yan siya Ed Hardy. Ito Supreme din natin itong original. Parang ano naman. Oh, these are mine. Trying to make a bundle.
Which are the jackets?
It varies in price. Like $10. That one has 25 on that one.
Bulldog.
25?
Ito, lupit to.
That one's con. Not for you?
Yeah, it does. It's a medium.
What do you mean?
Medium.
Yeah, I'm not a Liverpool fan. Bro, you know what they did?
Ito, malupit.
This one, I'll do 15 on that one.
Ito, malupit to.
Wow!
natin. Bundle natin to. Yan natin mga pantalon dito. Alon. You got hats? Oh, right here. Oh, thank you. Dito. Out tayo mga hats. Yan natin kung mura lang to. Ito, nagkaroon na ako na ito. Ito, subas. Subas. Ayan, subas. Packed up na yung ano niya. Ed Hardy. Racing. Instant. Ayan, Utah Jazz. Ayan, Utah Jazz. Mickey Mouse. Ano ka yung Supreme? Itong t-shirt, interesado ako sa t-shirt ng Supreme, hindi. Baka off pa to eh. Hindi ko kasi dala yung GoPro eh. Iwan natin yung Supreme. Dorado, mahal yan. Ito Bruce Lee. Ano natin? May tatlo tayong Bruce Lee t-shirt eh. Harley. Kung 5 lang yung Harley, pwede yan. Ito Notre Dame. Jordan. Ito malupit.
How much you ask for the stuff? Oh shit. That's all good berries?
Yeah.
Arthur. Art.
How much a piece, man?
All these right here?
Yeah.
These? Okay.
Bruce Lee.
Let's do 10, 10, 15,
Okay.
10 on this.
10, okay.
Yeah, but this one's the most expensive one. I'm asking 150.
How much?
Like $2, $3, yeah.
How much is that?
150 on this one.
Oh, is it,
Yeah,
what
there's
is
one
it?
on eBay for 500.
Really? Is it a
Like
band?
475.
What is it? Is it Jesus T or a band?
Pro women's, I think.
With
Rights. Pro women's rights.
Oh, I
Yeah,
got
like
you.
Movement, yeah.
Oh, the 150. Yeah, I
80s,
got
yeah.
it. Yeah, thank you.
So I said 10, 10, 15, 10 as well. Just do 40. I'm gonna pop it.
Extra large.
Not this one.
Size.
I'll do 70 on this.
70. Oh, it's small, man.
Yeah,
why
it's a
do
small, it's a large, but
Ewan,
Looks
yung
way
sa atin.
small.
Sa atin.
I'll do 10.
Ito sa atin. $70. Original sa atin. I saw one of these, man. 2XL for 200.
2XL?
200.
Damn.
But it's 2XL.
I found this one here.
Yeah, found this one here. Yeah. The first gen.
Yeah.
First gen starter.
Yeah, it has a.
Yeah. Yeah. That New Haven, yeah. Isa lang na niya. Bro,
Yeah, I'll do 10.
you do 20? 20 for 3?
20 for the 3?
Yeah, that's fine.
I can't, because I paid 20 for this one alone.
Oh, Lord? Oh,
Yeah,
got you,
I
man.
paid 20 for this alone.
25. Okay?
25. I'll do 30. I'll do 30.
That's paid.
I'll just do 30, 35.
Oh, gusto mo 35. Okay na rin ko, 35. Nag-array lang siya ng $8 ang isa. Ayan natin yung mga size. Ito extra large. Okay. The 35?
Yeah, 35.
Yeah, 10 ang isa. Ano na doon? Fashion. That's a cool shirt, this one.
Yeah, this one's cool.
25 man, 3? 25?
That's fine.
That's fine, alright. 25 na siya, Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee. Meron tayong Harley XL.
Yeah, you're chilling, bro.
Ayan, XL. Tsaka tong Salem. $25.
Yeah, how much that's for the pay?
Ito, 70 raw. Ito, 150.
Ilang ka pa
Women's
nag-drugs?
right.
Ibang trip to! Bad trip!
25. Nakatulog tayo, 25. So, nagaling siya ng $8 a piece. Pwede na yun.
Wow! Wow!
Mayaman, daming kinuha yung isa. Ha? Ayun ba? Nasaan ba? Ito?
Dude.
Ang bait naman siya, hindi naman siya masyadong ano. Ayan, nakuha niya.
Inbox lang.
Soccer, hindi naman natin minimes ng soccer. Pero yun. Ano yung ano? Soccer.
Ang dami pang kumuha.
Kung Askal yan, Askal. $25. Okay. Yan ako na yun, Ed Hardy, mahirap ng benta yun. Teka man, 5 baht.
Oh, yeah,
Okay. How much was that jacket? The soccer?
The soccer one? 25.
25. Sayang hindi natin nakuha yung ano yung puti.
Magkano yun?
Thank you man.
Magkano yun?
150.
Oh, wow.
Ayan, lapit.
Wow! Ang bigat!
Fruit of the loom po. Fruit of the loom. How much the entrance here to Bend?
$17?
17, oh. That's cheap, yeah. Thank you, man. $17.
Yan na. Pinapakano niya no. Pinapakompute na niya.
Ano niya yun eh. Transaction niya yun eh.
Tignan natin.
Sige, tignan natin. Tignan natin yung deal nung ano. Kung ano, makikiusi tayo dito.
How much are for?
Uzi. I got some more here, man. I didn't see this.
5? 5.
Ito, Enrique.
I'll 320 on it.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Ito, biker. Oh.
320 on this?
You need 15? That one? Oh, that would go. Okay. I'm not ready to
I
stay.
already asked her.
Not bad. Well, it's cool.
Could you be a 3?
How much they go for?
I don't know. I mean, I'll probably get
Ito,
like
Jordan.
30, 35.
That's what I'm saying. Because
Medium.
I double it. I was about 30, so that's only 15.
It's just a good fit and a good dress.
I'll probably pass it over.
Okay. Put them to the side.
Yep.
Do 5 on this?
Yeah.
5 daw yung Giant.
10?
Sure.
Kaya mura yan eh, Dardy sa 10. Hindi ko na kinuha yan eh.
Over here? So we're at
I said
5, 10, 15, 20. At 5? So 20, right?
50 right now.
Wait, no. Oh, yeah, I forgot about the jacket, yeah.
40.
Wait, so yeah.
Ayan, 50 na. 50 na yung ano nila rin. Ay, na-miss ko yung Niners na yan.
15 on it?
You need 10?
I can. This one's nice.
Ayan, Jesus, ano.
Because thermal is so
Thermal. Oo, ano yan? Ano ngayon yan?
Yeah, that's the best.
Magkano niya ina?
15 raw.
Can do 15. That's something I wouldn't mind holding on to.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ayun, 10 oh. Ayan, may hole pala yan. May hole sa likod. Yung Niners.
Do 5.
Yeah.
Ayan pa yun.
Wala siya magtinda.
Malayong malayo sa atin. Hindi kagaya ko. Ayun. Bumili na rin sa atin to. Ito, yung lalaki.
Both of these.
Not both. You do 15 for both?
I'll be 30 at 20.
10. Alright, so 20. So we're at 90.
90 bucks.
Yeah, sure.
I bet colored one.
Yeah.
So I just take the 90 for these. Yeah, I'll look fine.
That's good, man.
They got a budget. That's why I saw some under the budget. Cool.
Nice deal.
How much is the stuff right here?
90 bucks.
Yeah, varies.
Ayan na yung deal. Ganyan lang tayo may pag-deal. Kung wala kang ha?
Ang dami na 90 lang.
9.
Pwede na yun.
Nakakabili.
Tayo tatlong paraso. 110. 120.
Hindi, 25.
Hindi, yung sa'yo natin.
Pa nagtatanong sila. Ganun lang talaga para yumaman ka agad. Pag wala kang makita, pupunta ka lang sa mga reseller at may pag-deal ka. Ganun lang naman ang ano eh. Okay. At least hindi tayo uwi na ano, walang ano. $17 ang entrance fee. Ito may isa Raiders. Natin kung ano, mura lang. Mga technique, kung nga rin hindi ka muna doon magtatanaw. Kasi pag nalapitan mo kagad. Ha? Extra large. Ano kaya ito? Jacobs. How much the jersey, sir?
35.
35? Mahal. 35. Alam ka sa ito lang. Ay ka na. Ito na yung ano yun. Yung exit. Ito yung sasabi mo? You sell the case or no?
That's from my CD.
Oh, your CDs. Oh, I got you. It's a cool case, yeah.
It's cracked anyway, you don't want it. You have a top here?
Yeah. How much is Arnold?
$3.
$3? Terminator 3.
Happy Mom's Day to Mama Silver and all the moms out there, you mothers, Bill Lasky in particular. This is a tough time.
May year ba?
I lost my mom right around this time a couple of years ago, Mama Papa. Mother Teresa. So,
Arnold Schwarzenegger. $3. Ayun na, wala rin bibili nun. Ala rito. Ayan, ito na yung exit eh. Okay.
Kasi magtitinap kayo, lagi natin.
Oo nga yun.
Araw-araw
Ganda ng hat niya. What's up? How are you?
I'm sleeping. You wake me up, man.
It's a nice hat.
Thank you.
Can I see? Wait, is it old?
Yeah, that's very old. I collection. Finally, I take it out.
Let me see. You have a collection?
Yeah.
Can I see?
My hair ugly.
Oh, it's okay. Kalabas lang natin. John Cena printed extra large. Kinuha ko siya kasi ano siya ito na yung last ni John Cena na ano, nag-turn heel siya. So ano ngayon yan yung mga John Cena na ano, $4. And tayo nga Bruce Lee. Meron tayong mga t-shirt na Bruce Lee, so kino-collect natin. And Bruce Lee ano, ayan. General merch ng Bruce Lee. Large to, nag-fade lang. May trademark siya. Ito kasama sa bundle, 3 t-shirt for $25. Harley, ganda na pagka-paid niya. Para siyang charcoal na ano, extra large. Ito ikikip ko to kasi San Jose. Ayan, taga Bay Area tayo, San Jose. So yan, ito na yung pinaka last. Tignan ko, mura to. Nabila na ito $8 lang. Notre Dame. Single stitch. Top bottom single stitch. Salem tag. Made in USA. So yung t-shirt na yan, then bumili lang tayo mga hangers. $5 lahat to itong hangers. So total spent natin is $34. Entrance is $150. So $35, $35.50. Right. So yun na yan, wrap up na natin. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment naman dyan. Peace out.